Hey, fellow investors and fellow stock guardians. It's Monday, February 8th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a green stock market. The stock market started the week on high notes, with all three indices ending Monday in the green. There's a lot of discussions about overstimulating the economy, especially after the $1.9 trillion relief package got approved by the House of Representatives on Friday as the first step for it to become a reality. Several well-known investors, including Cathie Wood from ARK Invest, believe that the relief package is too aggressive for an economy that is already on its way to recovery. Inflation is something that many investors are worried about. This is certainly a macroeconomic topic to monitor as the relief package goes through its approval process all the way to the Senate and Biden's desk in the next few weeks and months. Monday's winners were clearly any company that is directly or indirectly involved in the cryptocurrency space. Look up the cryptocurrency list of stocks on the StockCard's Discover page, from Nvidia to Square and MicroStrategy and many other companies who either have parked their cash in Bitcoin or offer functionalities that enable buying, transacting, or mining cryptocurrencies, all got a boost of confidence from the new $1.5 billion Bitcoin whale. The Bitcoin whale was none but the almighty Elon Musk in Tesla. I'll get back to this topic after we discuss the loser stock of the day in a minute. The stock market has started this week quite giddy, as we said, when the biggest loser in the market has only lost 17%, whereas the biggest winner in the market gained more than 170%. That just tells me how excited the market is. This is why it's hard to talk about a stock price drop that is attention worthy. Let's talk about one Canadian stock that grabbed my attention today. This company keeps popping up on the list of losers and winners, and it's called DAVIDsTEA. I kept wanting to disregard this stock, but it has been a consistent loser or winner for the last few days and weeks, so today I had to look at it. Especially as a Canadian American, I couldn't help but pay attention to this company that I used to be a big fan of back in Canada. Oh, the nostalgia. This $140 million publicly traded tea shop and retailer has lost more than 15% on Monday, but gained more than 80% in the last month or so. Why? My initial reaction was that this is yet again another short squeeze story. But looking at the short interest on the company's StockCard disproved that hypothesis. It seems sometimes in January, value investors got a chance to read the company's latest earnings report that was released in December, and they loved what they saw. DAVIDsTEA's e-commerce sales jumped more than 140% in the last quarter, and that's perhaps a sign that the stock has become a turnaround story. I initially got excited about that and thought maybe we have a retail turnaround story that we can add to our portfolios. However, I noticed the company has an active court order related to previous management and shareholders. While I didn't take time to investigate the court order in details, but legal challenges are always a black box of uncertainties that I won't be interested to add to my portfolio without detailed investigation. So as much as it hurts to say, this lovely Canadian brand that I loved once won't be joining my portfolio at this time. Well, as we said, Elon did it again. The master storyteller kept the momentum going with the announcement that Tesla has parked $1.5 billion worth of company's cash in Bitcoin. In its 10-K filing, the company confirmed buying an aggregate of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin over the course of past few weeks. It also announced that the company would accept digital currencies as a form of payment. Okay, now what? For Tesla, it means the company has a chance to grow its cash and liquidity via Bitcoin, assuming the currency continues to go up in value. For Bitcoin, the immediate reaction was the price jump to above $46,000 per coin in response to the news. In the long term, and in my point of view, there are two possible forces in play. If you want to be extremely bullish, Bitcoin is now on its way to becoming a viable alternative to the so-called store of value use case. In simple words, more people with a lot of money believe in Bitcoin, which would in turn give more viability and legitimacy to Bitcoin. if you want to be extremely bearish on the other side, regulators now have enough reasons to thoroughly get involved and regulate the digital currency market. The chances are several fraudulent schemes would surface as a result of regulatory involvement. The reality is going to get shaped by a tug-of-war between these two extreme bullish and bearish cases. Regardless of the short-term results, the case getting stronger that the future of money is getting shaped in front of our eyes. Don't forget to visit the digital currency list of stocks on the Stock Card's Discover page if you are ready to take a look at companies that are directly or indirectly involved in the cryptocurrency space. By the way, since the last time we spoke about Bitcoin in my daily updates, I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin every time Bitcoin value dropped for the day. So now I have a small but growing portfolio of Bitcoin. As always, if you like to give a Stock Card VIP a try to research as many stocks as you want and follow successful investors' portfolios, use promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow.